Sustain.
Nutrition.
New diet. Ask yourself this question.
So, received an interesting email today. There was some water cooler chit chat.
Snitches end up in ditches.
So, this was 5 different approaches to nutrition and to dieting in the new year. And because we're immersed in the industry, you often think that everyone knows the right things to
Because
do.
we put out such fantastic quality content.
Just like that.
Where it does stammer.
Well delivered. So, these 5 ladies. Option 1, eating no carbs or fruits, only chicken or fish and peas, treating yourself to broccoli on the weekend and allowing green tea. Should we go through them one at a time or all in one go?
Just go through them.
Lady number 2, 800 calories Monday to Thursday, but whatever she likes Friday to Sunday. Woman 3, 1 meal a day. Woman 4, eating as much as she wants each time, as long as it's not more than 100 calories each time. Interesting. Woman 5, keeping a food diary so she feels bad when she eats something bad.
Boom. That's my win right there.
Yeah, so 4 less than optimal approaches from our perspective.
So the simple question you need to ask if you're starting off on a new diet and whatever it is, whatever eating plan it is, whether you can only eat red foods or white foods or green foods or a combination of the two or a rainbow, or you can only eat with your left hand, you can only eat with a spoon, whatever you're going to do, just ask yourself, am I going to be able to do this in 6 months' time, or am I going to still be doing this in 6 months' time? If you can see yourself doing that in 6 months' time, then stop what you're doing and try something else.
Yeah, it's kind of quite obvious, isn't it, if you think that about where you've come from to where you are now, and if your diet now, if you're looking at broccoli as a treat, odds on that wasn't what was a treat before, so that is going to be a massive change. That's something you can't stick to.
I do enjoy broccoli.
I wouldn't say it's a treat though.
It's definitely not a treat.
Fondue broccoli. Same with having 1 meal a day. You've not come from doing that before, so it's just something you simply can't stick to. There's no way someone's going to be able to have 1 meal a day, 7 days a week for the rest of their life. You're just making things too hard and too drastic, and it's just ineffective longer term.
It's destined to fail.
The one that could be successful, that was in the less than optimal list, was 800 calories Monday to Thursday, eat what you like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the main issue there is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you've just had 4 days of not eating very much. So you've had a famine, and you've given yourself a chance to feast. There's no limits on those next 3 days. So it's going to be more than likely you're going to go absolutely hammer and tong. That's still half the week, 3 out of 7 days. So you're more than possible to kind of undo the damage undo the progress you've made from a calorie deficit perspective from those first 4 days.
Yeah, your body likes to be where it's at. It likes to balance the scales out. So if you're undereating, all of a sudden you get the opportunity to eat, your body's going to get as many calories as possible in to get back to where it's at. It doesn't want to lose weight.
You're also scheduling those days around when everyone else eats what they want, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so you're more likely to drink alcohol, eat takeaways, all those other things. And whereas Monday to Thursday, that's where the days it might be.
When you're on it.
Yeah, you're going to be more moderated. So, not the best approach.
Yeah, so whatever diet approach you're looking at, just ask yourself that question. Can I see myself doing this in 6 months' time? If not, change it. If yes,
please don't do it.
Doing it. If you've heard any other ridiculous claims or any things that you don't think is a good idea, but it might be a good idea, then just comment below and we'll get back to you with our, obviously, some very serious advice. You can grass, it's okay. Grass. Walk.
Snitches don't get stitches.
You end up in ditches.